Guess what?
What happened?
Mom, I did it. I joined the Good Choices Club. Jordan invited me to his party Saturday.
Oh, that's wonderful, sweet. That sounds exciting.
Mm-hmm. There's pizza, cake, and a bounce house.
Wow. You sound very excited.
I am.
So why do you look worried?
Something happened at school today.
What happened?
Noah asked if I was going to the party.
And what did you say?
I said yes.
Then what happened?
He got really quiet.
Why?
He wasn't invited.
How did that make you feel?
Bad.
What did you do?
Alex, I kept talking about the bounce house.
Oh, Alex, you know that was a no. Alex.
I know.
Good Choices Club. Alex needs help.
Definitely.
Hey, we all make mistakes. What's important is we learn from them, okay?
What should I do tomorrow? Keep talking, about the party. Make fun of Noah for not going. Be kind and don't exclude him. What would you choose?
What's your choice?
See?
Why?
I can be happy without hurting him.
Exactly.
Uh-huh. Alex?
Yes?
Should I skip the party for Noah?
What do you think?
I think I know the answer, Mom. I don't know.
You were invited. It's okay to go.
But I want to be nice to him.
Kindness doesn't mean missing out.
What does it mean?
Think about what you can control. You can't decide who Jordan invites.
But I can decide how I treat Noah.
Exactly.
Here is another question for you. Your friend wasn't invited, but you were. What would you do? Would you brag about the party? Ignore your friend? Or show them that they still matter?
What would you do, Alex?
I would still go to the party.
Okay.
But I wouldn't brag as saying, Mom.
Oh, I see.
I meet off to have sweetie.
Sure, but do your homework now. Good.
And Sunday, I'll play soccer with Noah.
I like that idea.
Wow, is that for me?
It is. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Mom, I'm ready.
That's my boy. You certainly are.
Thank you, Mom. Birth survey card?
Check.
Yeah. Present?
Check.
My best dance moves.
Alex, leave those at home.
Mom!
I'm joking.
Good. Everyone needs to see these. Oh dear.
What did you learn this week? I learned to make some delicious snacks.
Kindness doesn't stop the fun.
Right.
I should think about others' feelings.
Exactly.
Exclusion doesn't end a friendship.
That's a very good choice.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you're invited to a party.
But your best friend isn't invited.
How would you treat them?
Would you brag?
Ignore them?
Or choose kindness?
Tell us what you would do.
Kindness is thinking of others.
You're part of the Good Choices Club.